Hey, so let's get you started with essential oils. I'm super excited. You're going to start at youngliving.com and you're going to see the beautiful lavender fields. So make your selection here. And then in the top right corner, become a member. Now, they've made some changes recently in the sign-up process, and the website has had a few glitches in the last 3 weeks or so. So if anything is different in your process and you're not able to figure out why, if there's some kind of glitch or something, please contact me immediately and I'll help you get it figured out. I've actually done this several times in the last few days, and there have been random things happening. So please let me know if there's any glitch. I'm sure they'll get them worked out sooner than later, but currently there have been some glitches. Okay, so you want to become a member because you want to get that wholesale pricing, 24% off retail. So we're going to leave that field that's already selected for us. And then I was referred. And if I give you a different sponsor ID, follow whatever it was that I told you. And then we're going to click continue. So that just ensures that you're on my team and that I am the person that's helping you. So there's options for the premium starter kits. The Dewdrop and the Desert Mist are the standard packages. The Dewdrop has about a 4-hour runtime with one light option. It's a little bit more compact than the Desert Mist. The Desert Mist runs 6 to 10 hours. There's 3 different settings, and it also has several light options. You could buy the Thieves Cleaning Kit. It's more than just the Thieves Cleaner. It's also got mouthwash, the Thieves Essential Oil, toothpaste, foaming hand soap. It's got the cleaner, hand purifier. It's got a bunch of Thieves Spray. It's got a bunch of stuff in there. We've probably talked about the oils kits though. The upgrades for the oils kits are the Rainstone and the Aria, and you can see they're a little bit more expensive. So the Rainstone is a ceramic diffuser, runs about 8 hours, and the Aria is glass and bamboo. This diffuser by itself is $265. So to get the entire kit for $260 is a smoking deal. There's a one-time limit on buying this Aria diffuser kit. The other premium starter kits you can buy multiple times. So if you ever need another diffuser, I always say buy another premium starter kit because they're all so heavily discounted. Even these two are more than 50% off the retail price of all the, if you added up all the individual items. So I prefer the Desert Mist just because I like the longer run time. And then I'm going to scroll down. Okay, if we haven't talked about Essential Rewards yet, it's basically a no-brainer at this point. That's the major change that they made about recently, we'll say 3 weeks ago. You can now count your premium starter kit as your first Essential Rewards order. You used to not be able to do that. What does that mean? That means, so the one that I've selected has a PV, which is product value, of 100 points, and you get 10% back on the Essential Rewards program the first 3 months that you are a member. So by clicking that box, you're going to have $10 credit showing up on your account to be used towards product by the time the order processes, which usually takes a day or two, although with the holidays it may take a little bit longer than that. And you get the 100 PV promo for the month, which for November is nutmeg. So you're going to get an extra oil and you're going to get $10 product credit, basically, to use towards your next purchase by clicking that box. Essential Rewards is a monthly program, 50 PV, which is essentially $50 every month. You can cancel at any time, and it's super easy to cancel. So I always say, click that darn box, get the $10 back in the free oil, and if you want to cancel next month, you can cancel next month. I recommend trying it for at least a couple more months. I can help you customize your order to help so that you are not spending an extra $50 every month, but instead you are transferring money from like Target or wherever you buy your supplements or, you know, household cleaning products, personal care products, transferring that buying over. So you're not actually spending an extra $50. And then you're getting the rewards, which go up to 20% in month 4 and 25% in month 25. So basically what I do is I buy all of my household items from Young Living, my supplements, my personal care, my household cleaning, and then I use my points to get all my oils, and then I get oils through the monthly promos also. So if you have any questions about anything that I just said, please, please, please reach out to me. I'm always available to answer questions. So notice here it says, if you check this box, please skip step 2. So we're going to skip step 2. And then you do have to click, yes, I do want to add the essential rewards to my membership. And if you don't need to add anything, you can click next. Or you can click add more products. A couple things that I highly recommend. Cedarwood is thebalm.com. Did I just say that? For sleep, and it's super cheap. It's $11.50. So I would always recommend adding Cedarwood. And then the Thieves Household Cleaner. You get a sample of it in your kit. You're already going to have a sample of that. But, hold on, there's so many Thieves. Let me scroll. Thieves Household Cleaner right here. Okay, so this $22.50 bottle of cleaner is going to make about 25 to 30 normal size bottles of cleaner. It's like the most amazing cleaner on the planet. I use it on every single surface of my house. I use it on stainless, I use it on wood, I use it on granite. I use it on mirrors. I'm not even joking, it's the only cleaner I have in my house. I use it in my stainless steel sinks with baking soda instead of the powders that I used to use. Toxin free. Don't get a sore throat when I come in after like my cleaning lady cleans anymore because I have her using the Thieves Household Cleaner. And it lasts forever. It's a 1 to 30 ratio. So 1 ounce of Thieves Household Cleaner to 30 ounces of water. So this thing is going to last you a long time. And then the last product that I really recommend is the Cool Azul Pain Relief Cream. If I could spell, that would be nice. So let me find it. Where is it? Okay, maybe I spelled it wrong. Here's what I'm going to do. There we go. I must have spelled it wrong. Cool Azul Pain Relief Cream. Okay. This stuff is awesome for any kind of pain after workouts. It's recommended for arthritis pain. I use it on my leg all the time. Back, anything. And the tiniest bit goes a long way. I've had the same tube for probably a year. My 90-year-old grandma uses it. She just asked for another tube, and she's had hers for probably been about 6 months. So just depending on how much you need to use it. Okay, so I'm done. Those are my main suggestions. And just so you can see like these flags here, that means that you can use rewards points to purchase these items. There are some items that you can't use rewards points for. Look at, this is such a bad example because it's all the pans and stuff. But if I go out to any kind of other list, you'll see most products do have that flag. Most products are eligible to be purchased with points. So that's what I was talking about. You get those 10 points back. So, of course I picked the longest list ever. I'm going to click checkout. and there's a little glitch here. So it says you forgot to pick a starter kit. They haven't fixed this glitch yet. So view starter kits, and then you'll see you really did. You picked a kit. You remember that, right? We picked a kit. So just confirm. Click next. And here's where you're going to put in all your information. I'm not going to put my information in because I already have an account, but you're just going to fill all of this information out. Make sure you use a password that you're going to remember, of course, like you always would. The 4-digit PIN is a number that I want you to be comfortable giving me. Don't use your ATM PIN, because if I ever need to reach out to customer service for you, if you ever have a shipping error, if you ever need any kind of customer service help, I can help you out, but I do need to have your PIN. Basically, that's Young Living's way of getting confirmation that you trust me without you having to give me your password. So don't make that your ATM PIN. Make it something that you're comfortable giving me. And if you think about it, as soon as you're done with your order, if you could text or PM me that PIN, that would be awesome. I just keep them in a secure location so that I have them if I ever need to reach out about anything. And then click that you've read and agree to the terms of agreement, member agreement, policies and procedures, and frequently asked questions. Oh, sorry, I skipped over this. So no social security number required. You can check that and you're totally set. If you ever think that you might share your oils with your friends and potentially make some money with Young Living, you may want to put in your social security number. If you have friends who are interested in essential oils, and if they buy a kit from you because you have told them how awesome your oils are, you get $50. And if you make $600 or more with Young Living, they do need your social security number for tax purposes. So basically, if you click on the no social security number required, and then you end up making more than $600, they actually have to hold your paychecks after that $600 amount until you put your social security number in. So I signed up with my social security number, even though I was 100% sure I was never going to sell any essential oils when I signed up. So that's that. That's easy peasy. Let me know if you have any problems with the internet, the website, if you have any questions, any glitches, etc. I'm super excited and I can't wait to help you. Please reach out anytime. Like, one of the biggest things, anytime, especially if there's a sale going on and you have a technical issue or customer service, anything, please reach out to me and let me know so that I can help you. Thanks.